How's it going, guys? We got some snow here. We gotta get ready. We gotta put the plows on the truck, and we have to set everything. The snow coming again. They're saying, they're talking about maybe 12 inches on the central Jersey. So we gotta get all the plows ready, hook it up to the trucks. We got the truck ready. And I'm gonna show you guys my my new plow. Here is my new plow on my skid steer. This plow, I believe, is 8 foot by 8.5 foot with the wings on each side. It's brand new. I'm not even used it yet. It's ready to use it. I just hooked it up yesterday. All the mess over here, I hooked it up. They didn't come with the couplers. I just put the couplers yesterday. And here is. Ready to use it. Machine is ready. I'm sorry for the noise. My heater makes some noise. Thanks for watching.
Es un muchacho muy joven, buena gente y muy sencillo. En los distintos niveles, de todos él es amigo. Si lo quieren conocer, el nombre yo se los digo. En Colima y en Jalisco, Guanajuato y Michoacán. Se escucha mucho mentar, el modelo bien guerrero ha causado sensación. Él es Hugo Figueroa, es del rancho La Misión. Y la gente se le entrega a ese señor tan honrado, siempre ha logrado sus metas. Se pase por donde quiera, de noche o madrugada, con su sombrero bien puesto, Hugo no le teme a nada, porque su nombre Hugo Figueroa, es el rancho La Misión.
Thanks for watching, guys.